Hi, this is Bill Kemp with KempWindows.com, and welcome to Tip Tuesday. And today's tip of the week is true or false. Question is, are all replacement windows created equally? The answer to that is false. Why is it false? Let's focus on one component of a window, which actually makes up 85 to 90% of that window, which is the glass. Now, what makes a glass, or glass pack as we call it in the window industry, energy efficient? One of the components that makes that glass energy efficient is called low E glass. Now, I'm sure you've heard that term all over the place in the window industry before. Now, what low E glass stands for is low emissivity of heat. What that means is wherever that heat is, if it's on the outside in the summer trying to come in, it reflects it back out. If that heat is on the inside of your home in the wintertime, it keeps it inside. So the function or the purpose of low E glass is to keep your home warm in the winter and cooler in the summer. Now, what makes windows that much different when it comes to low E glass? Great question. Simply speaking, low E glass is a silver oxide, an aluminum oxide, a tin oxide, or a titanium oxide. Now, manufacturers can use all different types of low E glass, and it's not necessarily disclosed to you which type of glass they used in their window. Now, the silver and the titanium is going to give you the best energy efficiency when it comes to low E glass windows because it is the best reflecting type of silver or titanium oxide. So, if you want to find out more about low E glass windows, head on over to KempWindows.com and check out our products, and you'll find all the information you need. Have a great day. See you next week.